Finding the right talent in manufacturing and operations is critical, but it's also challenging. Hard to fill roles, lengthy searches, and the need for specialized skills can slow down your business. That's where Search Solution Group comes in. Hi, I'm Dave Holtzman, President and Partner at Search Solution Group and the leader of our Operations and Manufacturing Recruitment Division. For over 20 years, SSG has been helping companies like yours hire niche and critical operations and manufacturing talent. We don't just post jobs and wait. We actively headhunt, tapping into a network of highly skilled professionals, most of whom aren't even on the job market. From plant managers to logistics coordinators, manufacturing engineers to quality control inspectors, we provide the talent you need to keep operations running smoothly. Our process is streamlined and results-driven. We collaborate to understand your needs, provide a tailored hiring strategy, and deliver pre-vetted candidates so you can hire with confidence. Your business can't afford hiring delays, so let's find you the right talent right now. Schedule a call today and let's get started.